Hi everyone, and happy Notre Dame Day. I am super excited to be part of my very first Notre Dame Day. So what I've got for you is a fun, flashy, fiery experiment. What we're gonna do is take methanol, ethanol, and propanol, put them in these 5-gallon jugs, and then set them on fire using my favorite blowtorch. Okay, so let's get started. Safety first, obviously. So we're gonna start with methanol. So methanol has 1 carbon in it. And I'm gonna pour it in here. I just want the liquid. Put this off to the side. In fact, let me move this over here. Now I'm going to shake it up. And the goal of these movements, these vigorous movements, is to try to get that alcohol into the vapor state. And I'm priming the container, trying to get every inch of it coated with that alcohol. Now we want to hear the noise. That's a good noise. Flipping it over. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. Let's do it. So it's still going. You can kind of see it popping out the top. And it stopped right there. Okay, so pretty small, honestly, right? Very simple, very easy. Now we're going to take it up a notch. Now let's see what happens when I use ethanol. Ethanol has 2 carbons in it. You may have smelled ethanol before or been around it before if you've ever had alcohol, if you're 21 and over, obviously. Ethanol, like I said, has 2 carbons. So in theory, it should give us a nicer fire, a nicer reaction. If I can get it really shaken up. Let's see if we can get that noise again. Woo! Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I need a little bit more. A little more. Come on, ethanol. There it is. She's ready. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Woo! All right, so a little bit bigger, right? The more carbon we have, the bigger reaction we have. That's when, oh, I want to draw attention to methanol. Look, as you can see, and let me bring these here so you can compare. As she was sitting over there, she started to kind of burn brown in, melt in. That's because it has a nice long flame, a nice burn, and so she gets really hot and melts. This one doesn't burn as much, and so it barely ever melts on that. But isn't that cool? Look at that, science in action. Okay, one more. Last but not least, we've got isopropanol. Isopropanol you may know as rubbing alcohol. So I actually get this from the local Walmart because it's cheaper than buying it from the chemical store. All right, so with rubbing alcohol, we've got 3 carbons. This one I really want to shake up. Moving it around, moving it around. Shake, 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 shake. All right, let me see if we can get that noise again. She's trying. She's trying. Oh, come on. Come on, where are you? There it is, there it is. Okay, we're ready. Last but not least, let's look at rubbing alcohol. 3, 2. Oh! Oh, so amazing. So hopefully you can see that the more carbon you have, the more energy we can release. We feel that in the form of thermal energy. Super exothermic reaction, so it's nice and hot. I love it, it keeps me warm. That's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed these combustion reactions, and stay tuned for more Notre Dame Day.